Hi, I'm Sarah Moskowitz, and I'm a certified child passenger safety technician in Providence, Rhode Island. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to install the Graco Slimfit-3-LX car seat, not to be confused with the Graco Slimfit car seat, which is slightly wider, but the Slimfit3LX has become pretty popular due to the fact that it can fit 3 across in many vehicles. This video does not replace your owner's manual, your user's manual, and it does not replace meeting with a certified child passenger safety technician in person. You can always send me an email. I'm happy to find somebody in your area. The Slimfit3LX rear faces from 5 pounds to 40 pounds, or up to 49 inches, or when there is less than 1 inch of space from the bottom of the adjuster handle to the top of the child's head. The seat forward faces from 22 pounds, but it's preferable to keep your child rear facing up until 40 pounds until they max out the rear facing limits of the seat, up until 65 pounds, and again 49 inches is the height limit. The Slimfit3LX also can be used as a booster. Graco has a minimum age of 4 to be using the seat as a booster, but kids typically aren't ready for boostering until around 5 or 6, and I will put a link in the description below of a great article where you can learn more about when your child might be ready to start booster training. The cup holders on the seat are completely optional. There are 2 of them. If you want to install them, you just pop them into those holes right there, and there's a button underneath to pop them right back out again. Now, when rear facing, these shoulder pad covers are completely optional, and the body pillow is optional, except if you're using the seat for a child who's so small, above 5 pounds, but that the harness straps in the lowest level are still coming from above their shoulder. So keeping the body pillow in will give them a little bit of a boost up. The head pillow is also very optional, and that just comes out with a Velcro strap on the back. So for the sake of the demonstration, we can pretend we're using this for a larger child. So we're going to take out the cushion. Very easy to remove. The Slimfit3LX actually has great access to the belt path, both forward facing and rear facing. When rear facing your child, you want to make sure that the harness straps are coming from at or below the child's shoulders, and you just adjust that by lowering the headrest or raising it as needed. And the crotch buckle should be closest to the child, but not coming from underneath the child. To adjust the recline on the seat, you're going to be looking for this gray lever under where the child's feet would be. You're going to pull that towards you, squeeze it, and let the seat sink backwards. So when rear facing, we have recline option 1, which is the most reclined, and recline option 2. Whichever one you choose, you want to make sure that this silver ball is within the blue zone of the level indicator, and you're going to want to make sure that you're parked on a level surface so that the indicator will be accurate. So right now I'm going to install it on recline level 2. This little panel lifts right up. I'm going to rear face the seat. Now you want to take your seat belt and you're going to route it through this belt path right here, which is where your child's thighs would be. Common mistake that we see as child passenger safety technicians is a seatbelt routed through the back of the seat. Now that is what you'd be using for the seat when it was turned around. You always want to make sure to use the belt path closest to the vehicle seat back. Now we have the seatbelt buckled up right here, and we're going to lock the belt. So to do that, let's move this tail out of the way. I'm going to pull the seatbelt out all the way very slowly until it won't come anymore, and as I let go, you can hear a ratcheting sound. With my seat flat on the car seat, I'm going to pull up on the shoulder belt only. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, while pushing down with my left hand and back with my hips. Pulling up on the shoulder belt and feeding that back into the retractor. All right, so I'm pushing the vehicle seat back and down and feeding the excess back into the retractor. To test if the seat is installed securely, I'm going to use my non-dominant hand and pull the seat back and forth, again front to back. So the seat is not moving at all, you want to make sure that it moves less than 1 inch side to side or front to back. And it's not moving at all. Don't test for movement up here at the top of the seat. It's always going to move and wobble and make you nervous. You only need to test at the belt path. Replace the seat cover, it snaps right on. The next thing you want to do is double check that the level indicator has the ball in the blue zone, which it does.